If your Google Calendar is showing error 429, don't worry, this usually means Google has rate limited your account or browser because of too many requests in a short period of time. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get Calendar working again without guessing or wasting time. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. Cache data or corrupted cookies can trap your browser in an infinite loop of background requests, and that can trigger the 429 error again and again. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear browsing data for all time. Make sure you include cookies and cached files. Then close the browser completely and restart it. After that, go back to Google Calendar and check if the error is gone. If it still appears, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Third-party extensions, especially ad blockers, calendar checkers, automation tools and script-based add-ons, can spam Google's servers without you realizing it. To test this, open your extensions menu and turn them off one by one, or disable them all temporarily. Then reload Google Calendar and see whether it starts working normally. If Calendar loads correctly after disabling extensions, you found the cause. You can then turn them back on one at a time to identify which one is creating the problem. If the issue is still not fixed, try changing your network. Google often rate limits specific IP addresses, so switching networks can make a big difference. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try using your mobile hotspot instead. Or if you're on mobile data, switch to a different Wi-Fi network. In some cases, using a VPN can also give you a fresh IP address and help you get around a temporary block. Once you switch networks, sign back into Google Calendar and test it again. If none of those methods work immediately, the next best thing is to wait it out. Rate limits are often temporary, and if you keep refreshing or repeatedly trying to sync, it can actually make the problem last longer. Stop all attempts for about 15 to 30 minutes and let the account sit idle. During that time, avoid opening Calendar over and over, and don't keep forcing sync requests. After the wait, open Google Calendar again and check if the error has cleared on its own. In many cases, this simple pause is all it takes. So, to quickly recap, clear cache and cookies, disable suspicious extensions, change your network, and wait for the rate limit to reset. One of these fixes usually resolves Google Calendar error 425. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.